How to block AliExpress emails. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block AliExpress emails. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to block AliExpress emails, first head over to your mail app, whichever or wherever you're getting the emails. Then I'm just searching AliExpress to make it easier to find. So after you find the emails by AliExpress, what you can do is you can open one email up. After you do that, there you will see an option called unsubscribe. You'll see it right here. Tap on unsubscribe and then you can tap on go to website. You can use whichever browser you want. So let's let that open. After you basically unsubscribe, there you can see, you can tap on unsubscribe from here and you're good to go. And there you can see if you change your mind, you can always opt back in, but we won't be doing that. And basically unsubscribing will stop you from getting emails from AliExpress, only the emails that are, promotionals and stuff like that. You will be getting verification emails and such sometimes whenever you try to verify. And yeah, that's how you block AliExpress emails. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.